25 fascinating facts about India you didn't know. Namaste, Life Atlas Explorers. Indian Today, we're diving into the heart of India, not just its cities or cuisine, but the mind-blowing facts that make this country unlike any other. From floating temples to magnetic hills, get ready to be amazed. 1. India has a village where people speak Sanskrit daily. Mattur in Karnataka keeps the ancient language alive in everyday conversation. 2. The world's largest family lives in India. Ziona Chana from Mizoram had 39 wives, 94 children, and 33 grandchildren. 3. India is home to the wettest place on earth. Mawasyanram in Meghalaya receives over 11,000 millimeters of rain annually. 4. The magnetic hill of Ladakh defies gravity. Vehicles appear to roll uphill due to an optical illusion. 5. India has a floating post office. Located on Del Lake in Srinagar, it's both functional and scenic. 6. The Kumbh Mela is visible from space. This massive pilgrimage gathers millions. NASA even captured it from orbit. 7. India's national Kabaddi team is nearly unbeatable. With multiple World Cup wins, it's a powerhouse in this ancient sport. 8. The Indian Railways is one of the world's largest employers. Over 1.4 million people work for it. 9. There's a temple where rats are worshipped. Karni Mata Temple in Rajasthan treats rats as sacred beings. 10. India invented shampoo. The word comes from champu, a Sanskrit term for massage. 11. The world's highest cricket ground is in Himachal Pradesh. Chel Cricket Ground sits at 2,444 meters above sea level. 12. India has a spa for elephants. In Kerala, elephants get pampered with baths and massages. 13. The Indian national anthem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. He also wrote Bangladesh's anthem, making him the only person to do so for two nations. 14. India has over 300,000 mosques, more than any other country in the world. 15. The number 0 was invented in India. Ancient mathematician Aryabhatta revolutionized math forever. 16. India has a village with no doors or locks. Shani Shinganapur believes in divine protection from theft. 17. The world's largest vegetarian population lives in India. Over 30% of Indians follow a vegetarian diet. 18. India has a floating temple. The Jal Mahal in Jaipur appears to float on water. 19. The Indian film industry is the largest in the world. Bollywood produces more movies annually than Hollywood. 20. India has a stepwell that's an architectural marvel. Chand Bauri in Rajasthan has 3,500 steps in perfect symmetry. 21. The Indian flag was first hoisted in foreign soil in Germany by freedom fighter Madam Bhikaji Cama in 1907. 22. India has a village of twins. The Kodinhi in Kerala has an unusually high number of twin births. 23. The world's first university was in India, Nalanda University, dating back to the 5th century. 24. India's national animal isn't the cow, it's the Bengal tiger. Fierce, majestic, and endangered. 25. India is the only country with a bill featuring a woman weaving. The 100 rupee note honors India's textile heritage. India isn't just a country, it's a universe of stories, traditions, and wonders. Globe with Asia Australia, which fact blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys with Life Atlas. Until next time, keep exploring.